I did order this C-stand tripod from NEEWER, and I was not expecting to have something as great as this. So basically, the tripod is only those 3 pieces, and I'll show you how easy it is to install. So you take this, and there we go, it's open. And you take this, you put it inside, you screw that. Finally, you take this part there, and there you go, it's set up. Then you can put it really, really high, and it have this kind of suspension, of hair suspension, meaning that if you drop it, it will slowly come down. Of course, when you got a charge on it, it may come down faster, but at the end you also have this spring-loaded suspension. Then, if you want to put a light at the end, like this one, for example, there we go. Of course, I will add some weight, but if it's crank up like that and you're aligned with a foot, usually that's fine. But I will add, for security, this bag of sand and another one on the other side, sold separately. And you see here, I can put this and power it on. There we go. We've got some lightning, and it's crazy how high this can go. So here, bring it up, and there we go. And another one here, take it even higher. And now I touch my roof, my ceiling. There we go. It's not about to fall. Just want to show you how crazy this is. Just look how high it goes. So really an amazing quality of product. It's very heavy, it's very durable, it's easy to set up, it's fast to set up, and there we go. I've got my light. The only downside I have with this is about starring. Is there other things? No. I think that if I had take the shorter one, it would be easier to find a bag to fit all of my lightnings, meaning the umbrella, the light, my other umbrella, the light, this small tripod, and yeah, now it's hard to find something where this can fit because it's a bit too long. You can find C-stand bag, even there it's not as easy. So yeah, my only concern now is how to store it, but amazing quality of device. Nothing have to do with those cheap NEEWER light stand. Nothing to do. It's amazing. And it is as easy to uninstall. So basically here, there we go. I've got my hair suspension taking care of everything. Screw this, take this one, oops, down. There we go. And from here, I can remove my light. Oops, not the right one. There we go. So unscrew this. Oops. There we go. Remove that. And it's done. So yes, I do recommend it. It's pretty incredible what you have for the price you pay for. So the link's in the description if you need it. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in another video. See ya.